Today, we're proud to show you our fully refurbished WOLFF 100B tower crane, which has been erected here at the Hive project in Sheffield.
And it's coming down easy, mate, lowering off steady.
WOLFF tower cranes are built to last decades. The 100B example that you see here working on the Hive today was manufactured 30 years ago in 1996 and has undergone a full refurbishment at our plant in Luckau, Germany.
By choosing refurbishment over replacement, we avoid up to 92% of the emissions associated with manufacturing a new crane. It extends the life well beyond 25 years and the data is clear. When properly maintained, availability does not decrease with age.
The crane was completely stripped down, with all major components being removed and replaced with new. The steel structure was sandblasted back to bare metal and all the welds tested, with only 2 welds requiring remedial work after 30 years.
Refurbishment reduces the need for new steel and avoids the emissions tied to both production and recycling. It's not carbon negative, but it prevents otherwise unavoidable emissions. That's why we believe tower cranes should never be disposable.
Every step of the refurbishment is documented, with a new manual being generated to reflect the work that's been carried out. Some clients believe a crane over 10 years old isn't good enough for a construction project in the modern time, but there's rarely a technical reason behind that. A professionally refurbished WOLFFKRAN is reliable, efficient and far more sustainable. This 30-year-old WOLFF 100B proves this point. Long-term engineering value outperforms disposability, and refurbishment is how we build a smarter, cleaner future for lifting.